Sige. Okay, I think we better get started, no? Baka nakokornihan na sila sa atin. So, I think we back to our business and maging serious na tayo. So, I'd like to mute everyone, no? I-mute ko muna po kayo, no? Para hindi ma-distract yung ating presenter. Pati yung ating group chat, ilalak ko din. Then afterwards, no, ang gagawin natin, i-open ko para makapagtanong kayo after the presentation. Okay po ba yon? No? Para dire-diretso tayo. Bibilisan lang natin yung presentation natin para makapagtanong kayo sa mga bago, no? Pwede ho kayong magtanong. Alright? Sige. Mute ko lang po kayo sandali Okay. Okay, Sir Paul, you can unmute yourself, no? At yung chat box ano ko lang so that participant cannot chat on the chat box. Okay. Yeah. Okay, Tita Glo, are you ready? Tita Glo?
Okay po. Okay na. Alright. Okay, good afternoon, good morning, and good evening po sa lahat. So, welcome po sa ating 46 participant. Ang unang-una po sa ating mga presenter na si Sir Paul at saka si Sir Anton, and also po si Coach Eddie Onya. Welcome po kayo, Ma'am Predine, Ma'am Annabel, Ma'am Amelita, Ma'am Bessie, Bong, Ma'am Camila, Ma'am Cynthia, Sir Daniel, Ma'am Doors, Sir Ed Latayan, Mr. Ed Rapadas, Mr. Edwin Bugna, Miss Elenita from Cavite, Ma'am Ellen, Ma'am Emilia, Ma'am Eva, Ma'am Evelyn, Mr. Felix, Ma'am Preline, Mr. Gary De Rojas, Ma'am Girly, Ma'am Grace, Ma'am Helen from Saudi, Ma'am Gigi, Ma'am Jinky, Jobel, Ma'am Jocelyn, Ma'am Judith, Junji, Let, Ma'am Lynn Reyes, ito po ba? Ma'am Lizelle, Ma'am Lucy, Ma'am Marilyn, Mr. Mark, Ma'am Miguela, Ma'am Mila, Ma'am Janice, Mr. Pepito, Ma'am Ramona, Mr. Rich, Ma'am Rose, Rosemary, Sammy, Scorpion, Sir Loreto, and Ma'am Tina. Again po, bago po ako mag-introduce sa ating dalawang magiting na presenter, ako po ay hindi na muna ako magbubukas ng camera, no? Ako po ay si Gloria Kinsel, na sa kasalukuyan po ay nakatira ako dito sa Australia, no? I had been here for 48 years na po away from Philippines. So, ako po ay nandito ngayon, unang-una po sa C1, pero ito pong ating business ngayon ay Stratify at saka tag market, no? So, ang una po, sinong mauuna? Sir Paul or si Sir Anton?
Sir Paul.
Sir Paul. Okay. Introduce ko po sa inyo ang ating magiting na presenter. This time, pakinggan naman po natin ang presenter natin na walang iba kundi si Sir Paul, ano? He is presently living in London for 23 years or more. Nurse by profession, he is the founder of Thriver's Legacy, a great leader and a mentor. A powerful presenter, married, and a father of 3. A business owner and an entrepreneur. Please help me po welcome to our webinar, Sir Paul De Guzman. Sir Paul, the floor is yours po. Thank you po.
Ako muna, yan, sige. Maraming salamat, Tita Glo,
yes po.
Napakaganda mong introduction. Hello everybody, it's good that you're here with us, and we are so happy that you've joined with us, to all the participants around the world and to those people who are new to this business call, mapagpalang araw po at gabi sa inyong lahat. At sa ating mga guest participants, sa mga bago nating invites, welcome po sa inyong lahat. And before anything else, Sir Paul, Tita Glon, I'd like to greet belated Happy Father's Day sa lahat ng mga tatay, sa mga bagong tatay, sa mga nagpapakatatay, sa mga nanay na naging tatay, sa mga tiyo, tita o lolo o lola na naging tatay, Happy Father's Day po, o belated Happy Father's Day po. sa inyong lahat, no? This is another day of fun and a lot of excitement about our business and something that you do in the comfort of your home. This is also the time for you to reevaluate your finances, a time for you to look for an alternative income. I know you have a difficult day. We're going to be just together, learn together, and who knows, no? Be prosperous together. Hello po, isang mapagpalang araw po. Ako po si Anton Sebastian. Nakabase po ako dito sa United Kingdom. I'll be your co-presenter today. At maraming salamat po sa pag-attend ninyo dito sa ating Zoom webinar natin together with our powerful, gorgeous, and energetic presenter of all time, no? Ang tanong ko po sa inyo, sa lahat na nakikinig ngayon sa ating mga participants, lalong-lalo na sa mga bagong invites natin at patuloy na ginagawa ang ating napakaganda at napaka-amazing na negosyo, no? Ang tanong ko, ikaw ba ay may pangarap na katulad din namin, no? Ikaw ba yung nahihirapan sa iyong trabaho o kaya naman nagsasawa ka na sa paulit-ulit na ginagawa natin sa ating buhay pero kailangan mong gawin para lang magkaroon tayo ng pambayad natin sa pang-araw-araw nating bills, no? Nagtatrabaho tayo ng mahaba, laging nasa overtime. Minsan, yung karamihan talaga, no, Sir Paul, 2, 3 ang trabaho na pinapasukan hanggang sa punto na wala na tayong oras para sa ating sarili at sa ating pamilya. Napakahirap po. Alam niyo po, mga ka-unit team ko, kabalitaan, ka-tribers, kapuso, kapamilya, kaibigan, no? Hindi dapat ganito. Kailangan nating magsimula at magkaroon tayo ng matalino na pamamaraan sa ating pagtatrabaho. At kailangan magkaroon tayo ng alternative source of income, yung plan B na tinatawag natin, no? Karamihan po na nandito ngayon, kaya tinanong ko kanina ay nasa abroad, no? Kaya yung iba po naghahanap talaga ng online business na katulad nito. Kailangan nating magsimula, mga kaibigan ko. Planuhin nating mabuti ang ating kinabukasan. Kailangan nating magkaroon ng sariling pagkakakitaan at magtrabaho para sa ating sarili. Sa paghahanap namin ng solusyon, kagaya nyo rin po ng mga bago ngayon dito, ipinakilala sa amin ang business na ito na nagturo sa amin kung paano natin patakbuhin ang negosyo. Sa business na ito, kapatid ko, ang lahat ng kailangan mo, handa na. Basta 18 years old ka pataas, pwede ka dito sa ating negosyo. Hindi kailangan ng nakatapos ng pag-aaral dito. Ang importante, meron kang 100% na commitment mo, malalim ang dahilan mo kung bakit gusto mo itong negosyo, at syempre, dapat coachable and teachable ka. Lahat kami dito na nagsimula dito sa ating negosyo ay handang tumulong sa inyo sa pagsisimula ninyo dito sa ating negosyo. At marami na rin po ang nabago ang buhay sa pagsimula ng negosyong ito, katulad namin, no, na nagsimula dito sa ating negosyo. Alam ko, kapatid, kung bago ka man dito ngayon, ikaw na ang susunod na mababago ang buhay, no? And hindi ko na patatagalin, I'd like to introduce to you, no, the founder of our Tribers Legacy Group. Meron ho kaming grupo, ang pangalan ay Tribers, no? A gentleman with a vision, no? He lives in England for more than, I think, 25 or 26 years now. A nurse by profession, an entrepreneur, a loving father, a great provider, no? A great leader and mentor. Please help me in welcoming the presenter of all time, Mr. Paul de Guzman, aka Mr. Show Me the Money. Sir Paul, take it away.
Thank you very much, Sir Anton, for that very generous introduction. Anyway, to continue to introduce myself, ako po si Paul de Guzman, isa pong nurse by profession. I'm a neuro rehab nurse here in the UK. I work in a private hospital, but I also work as a dialysis nurse in the community. I'm also an insurance advisor, licensed insurance advisor. And at some point during the pandemic, nag-venture din ako into a traditional franchise business, no? So I'm an opportunity seeker, in other words, no? Continuous ako naghahanap ng opportunity to make additional income, no? Dahil alam ko po na hindi lang ako dapat umasa sa income o salary ko, no, bilang employee, para matupad ko po yung pangarap ko of time and financial freedom, no. I'm sure marami din po sa inyo that are also dreaming of achieving time freedom and financial freedom, no. Yung gigising tayo kung kailan natin gustong gumising, lalarga tayo kung kailan natin gustong lumarga, magbabakasyon tayo kung kailan tayo magbabakasyon, no. But marami din sa atin, hindi natin alam kung paano natin ma-achieve yung mga bagay na yan. And that's the primary reason why we are here, no? Kami ni Sir Anton, we would like to share to you a very exciting business opportunity that could potentially help you achieve yung mga goals nyo of financial and time freedom, no? So hopefully, you'll stay until the end of the presentation. I'll be sharing to you a very important information kung paano namin ginagawa ito, no? Ako po personally, I have been blessed by this opportunity for the last 3 weeks pa lang, no? But Sir Anton has been doing this for a while, longer than I am, no? And I owe it to him for explaining to me this opportunity, and now I'm reaping the benefits, no, of this wonderful business. So without further ado, let me share to you my slides and start sharing to you this business opportunity. Hold on a second. Okay, before we even start, I'd like to know, no, kung ilan sa inyo yung mga first timers, yung first time dito sa webinar, first time na maririnig tong opportunity na to. Paki-type 1 po, paki-type lang po yung number 1 dyan sa chat box natin. And type 2 kung you're already part of the business, no, and you're just here to listen, and maybe you have invited someone to this webinar para makita din nila kung gaano kaganda tong opportunity. Okay. Do we have first timers? Okay, but we also have some first timers, no? So congratulations for heeding to the invitation of the people who invited you here, because you're about to see a great opportunity. Who knows, this might be the opportunity that you have been waiting for all your life, di ba? Baka ito na yung magbabago ng takbo ng buhay at kabuhayan mo. Okay, so I hope I'll be able to share to you something special and something that would excite you after this presentation. Kung napansin nyo during my introduction, no, sinubukan ko ng napakaraming trabaho, no, kasi yun ang tinuro sa atin, no, ng ating mga ninunot mga magulang, no, na para ka daw yumaman, kailangan magtrabaho ka ng gusto, di ba? When it comes to money, sabi nga, the only skill that most people know is to work hard. Gising sa umaga, pasok sa trabaho, tapos pagkatapos ng trabaho, no, biyahe na naman, balik sa bahay, tapos tulog, gising sa umaga, pasok na naman sa trabaho, no? So nakulong tayo sa ganung routine ng buhay, no? Pero after so many years, napansin nyo ba, yumaman ba tayo? Umasenso ba kayo because of working hard for the money? Siguro karamihan nasasagot niyo hindi, no? If you look at the richest people in the world, no, hindi po ganun ang formula nila, di ba? Ang formula po nila, eto. Kaya po sila yumaman because they started working for the money first. Pero they did not trap themselves from working hard for the money. What they did is they used the money and eventually that money worked hard for them, no? So dapat tayo, we don't just work for the money. We have to make the money work for you. And that's exactly what we're going to share to you today. Okay, so I'd like to welcome everybody to Stratify. Yan po yung pangalan ng ating company. Ang Stratify po is not it's just a platform, no, that will open our door to a wonderful opportunity in the forex trading. Ang Stratify po is a platform that combines forex trading, AI powered copy trading, education, and a rewarding affiliate marketing model. But before I move on, I'd like to make a disclaimer, no? Lahat po ng ipe-present namin for you today is just for educational purposes, no? Information lamang po. It's not in any way to force you or to influence you, no, to invest your money in this platform, no? Yun pong decision na yan ay kayo po ang magde-decide. We will share to you the business, including the potential risk of the opportunity, no? Kasi pagdating po sa trading, napaka gandang opportunity po yan, pero there's always a risk involved, no? That's why we always tell people to only put money that you are willing or that you can afford to lose, no? Kailangan we are willing to take the risk but not too much risk. Okay? So kayo po yung magde-decide whether you want to be part of this business or not. But if you decide to become part of this, nandito po kami para igabayan kayo to reduce the risk that is involved. So, ang Stratify po is the world's largest and most ang forex trading po is the world's largest and most liquid financial market, no? And Stratify is introducing us to the foundation of forex trading, no? Ang forex trading po nagna-navigate po yan in the trading market 24 hours a day for 5 days a week. So nagpapahinga din po siya ng Saturday and Sunday, but Monday to Friday tatap po siya doon sa global trading market. And Stratify automatically, while giving us the opportunity to earn in trading, binigyan din niya tayo ng isang napaka-rewarding na affiliate model which will allow us to earn even more. So, how big is the forex trading? Just to give you an idea, no? Ang daily trading volume po sa forex trading is over 7 trillion US dollars. It's the biggest, no? Bigger than crypto, bigger than stocks, bigger than the bond trading market, no? And bigger than the commodity trading market. It operates 24 hours a day, as I mentioned earlier, 5 days a week. It involves governments, central banks, commercial hedge funds, corporations, and retail traders. And sometimes, no, yung economy po ng bawat bansa nakadepende pa, no, sa takbo ng global trading market natin. Sa ordinary or normal forex trading, nagtitrade po ang mga tao sa US dollars to euro, US dollars to Japanese yen, GBP, and US dollars. But here in Stratify and Tag Market, we are focusing on the trading, no, sa gold and forex currencies. Particularly yung strongest currency in the world, which is US dollars. So, as I've mentioned earlier, Stratify just opened the door para magamit natin yung platform for trading, no, which is provided to us by the broker called Tag Markets. Yung Tag Markets po, ang gagawin po niya, no, whatever we deposit, whatever money we put in our Tag Market account, para mas lumaki po yung trading capital, ina-amplify niya. Pag sinabing ina-amplify, minumultiply, no, in a more understandable term, no, minumultiply niya. Ordinarily 12 times po yung amplification ni Tag Market, but right now, no, until the end of June, we have an opportunity to double that. Minumultiply ni Tag Market yung deposit natin or investment by 24 times. So imagine, no, para mas makagalaw siya dun sa global trading market, mas malaki yung magagamit niya, no, to trade dun sa trading market natin, no. So imagine if you put a minimum of $10, no, i-multiply mo by 24, edi meron ng $240 na pwedeng paglaruan si Tag Market doon sa trading market from Monday to Friday. Take advantage of this, no, kasi itong offer po na to ni Tag Market is only valid until the end of June, no. So hindi natin alam kung ma-extend pa yan, but take advantage before the end of June. Make sure you grab that opportunity. Now the question that a lot of people are asking me, no, which is the same question that I had, no, nung nagsimula ako dito, kasi very limited ang knowledge ko about trading. So the question is, do I have to trade myself, no? How can I start? Very limited nga yung knowledge ko about trading, no. Alam ko na may risk involved, pero how can I lessen the risk, no? Sabi nila, para ma-lessen mo yung risk, kailangan you have to learn before you earn, di ba? Yan karaniwan ang sinasabi sa atin, learn before you earn, no. But nag-evolve na, no, pati ang global trading natin nag-evolve na. Kung before, kailangan matutunan mo kasi kailangan tutukan mo at analyze mo yung global market, no? 24 hours a day, yung karamihan dyan. Hindi na natutulog para lang mag-monitor, no? But now, it has evolved, no? Modern na ngayon. Marami ng way to trade. Meron na tayong tinatawag na copy trading, no? At ngayon, nag-evolve na rin into yung mga AI robots that facilitate the trading for us human being, no? Kaya nga yung mga stockbrokers, di ba? Nawawalan na ng trabaho, di ba? But if you want to learn how to trade, no? Nandiyan po yung Tag Academy natin inside our Tag Academy site or website natin. You can avail of free videos there which will teach you how to trade and how to copy trade na rin, no? From the best master traders in the world. So kung gusto niyo matuto tayo, but don't let it stop us from starting to earn. Ito nga yung pino-provide ni Sonic AI, no? This is the third platform na sa business natin. You have Stratify, you have Tag Market, tapos you have Sonic AI. Ano ba tong Sonic AI na to? Sonic AI is the copy trader machine natin, no? Siya yung tututok dun sa global trading market. Titignan niya yung formula nung mga successful trader, no? And then ika-copy niya lang yung formula na yon para mag-benefit din tayo while they are benefiting from the forex trading, no? So ganun si Sonic AI, no? Artificial intelligence siya. But of course, Sonic AI is controlled by human beings din, no? Yung developers niya that are facilitating, no? Tinututukan din nila yung global trading market natin. And as I've mentioned earlier, no, yung Sonic AI is a copy trader. Ang tinututukan niya lang yung value ng gold natin against the foreign currency, particularly the US dollars, no? Inversely proportional po ang relationship between those two, no? Pag tumataas po ang value ng gold, lumiliit po ang value ng dollar because it takes more dollars, no, to be able to purchase gold. Pero pag bumababa naman po ang value ng gold, it takes only a few dollars, no? Kaya tumataas po yung value ng dollar, di ba? So inversely proportional. Pag pagka bumababa po yung value ng dollar, matuwa tayo dahil tumataas po yung value ng gold natin. Okay? Now, this is an opportunity to earn while you learn, no? So hindi natin kailangan mag-learn muna bago matuto tayo because we have all the tools for us to start doing it while we are learning the market, no, o yung power of copy trading. So nandyan po kung makikita natin kung gaano ka-efficient si Sonic AI. We have the monthly analytics in year 2024. Nakita nyo po yung growth niya from November to December, 1.17%, from 1.12%. Nandyan din po from January to October 2025, no? Of course, merong ups and downs yan, pero majority of the year, no, pataas po yung trend po ni Sonic AI. And even if you Google it, no, yung Sonic AI po is publicly verified, no, na meron siyang 3 to 5% weekly gains since it started, no? So ganun po ka-efficient, no? More than 80% to 90% na winning rate po si Sonic AI. There are days that it will not perform well sa trading, but that will be compensated later on, no? Historically, mas malaki yung gina-jump niya kaysa dun sa nalulus niya, no? So ganyan po ka-efficiency Sonic AI pagdating po sa copy trading sa global forex trading market natin. So it is very encouraging. Now, let's show you, no? Si Tag Market po kasi will only give us the opportunity to earn a passive income by trading, no? So, kumikita tayo doon sa tinatawag nating trading profits, di ba? So, it's passive. Parang, instead na ilagay mo yung pera mo sa bangko, which will not hindi siya tutubo ng galong kalaki, no? Hindi ganong kalaking profit even if you put it on time deposit. I think it's wiser to put it here in Stratify and Tag Market. and earn that 3 to 5% weekly interest, no? Weekly gains ni Tag Market sa global market, di ba? Napakalaki po. Last week lang, si Tag Market has given us probably one of the biggest trading gains in the market. I think I myself gained about $130, no, weekly profits sa trading natin, no. Much better if I decide to put my money in the bank, diba? So, yun po yung kagandahan. But Stratify is also giving us opportunity to earn more. Sabi ko nga kanina, no, through a very generous affiliate model, which binibigyan tayo ng opportunity to earn in 6 ways. First, yung sinabi ko kanina, yung trading profits, pero meron din tayong opportunity to earn passive income weekly through the profit sharing and the trading lot commission. Tapos, meron din tayong active that will also convert to a passive income via leader pools, CPA earnings, no? And of course, a lot of generous incentive from the company. So, 6 na paraan para kumita tayo. Trading profits, profit sharing, up to 10 levels. We also have the per lot 10 levels commission, the leader pool commission, CPA earnings natin o yung cost per acquisition earnings natin, and the incentives. I will break it down, no? I-explain ko po yan sa inyo isa-isa in the next slides. Let's start with trading profits. Sa trading profits po, yan po yung sa Tag Market natin. Pag naglagay po tayo ng pera dun sa Sonic AI account natin, you can start for as minimum as $10. Pero sa trading nga po, no, the larger your deposit is, the larger will be the trading capital and the larger the trading profit will be, di ba? So maliit ang deposit mo, maliit ang trading capital, mas maliit din ang trading profit natin. Mas malaki ang deposit mo, malaki ang trading capital, mas malaki din ang trading profit natin, no? Potentially. Ang kagandahan dito, si Tag Market, no, binibigay sa atin yung 70% ng trading profit na yon. 70%. Napakalaki po niyan compared to other platforms, no? Anong gagawin natin doon sa 70%? Pwede nating i-withdraw agad-agad, no? Pwede nating i-withdraw agad-agad, no? Or pwede nating i-compound or reinvest, no? Paikutin natin, idagdag natin doon sa trading investment natin, no? Ikaw magde-decide kung ano yung gusto mong gawin, no? Walang makakapigil sa iyo. Tapos yung 5%, no, binibigay yan doon sa developers ng Sonic AI natin, no? Yung copy trader natin. Para kumita din, di ba? Pero magugulat kayo mamaya, yung 5% na yan, hahatian pa rin tayo dyan. 25% naman ay sinishare doon sa affiliate model ng Stratify natin. Binabahagi pa rin sa ating lahat, no? Kung if you are doing the affiliate marketing model natin, no? So sinishare yan up to 10 levels deep across the structure. Okay? So papakita ko sa inyo yung second way to earn na yan. So 10 levels, ibig sabihin from your direct referrals, no, yung in-invite mo dito sa business natin, up to the people that you probably don't know anymore. Sino yan? Yung nirefer mo, second level mo yon. Yung nirefer mo, third level mo yon. Yung nirefer mo, yung nirefer mo, at yung nirefer mo, no? Up to the 10 level. So, kaya sinasabi ko na maaring hindi mo nakakilala yung baka from the third level pa lang hindi mo nakakilala, no? Up to the 10th level, kumikita ka pa rin doon. Baka hindi mo naman monitor yan kung nasan yan or nasang lupalop ng mundo yan, di ba? So yung 25% na yun will be divided into those 10 levels. 2.5% po ang tawag po dyan profit sharing, no? Profit sharing, pinaghahati-hatian natin lahat na nag-qualify para mas lumaki pa yung income natin dyan. Okay? Requirement lang po dito, meron ka dapat minimum na $100 deposit on the Tag Market and connected ka to the to Sonic AI, no, to earn the bonus. Yung first levels mo is unlock upon the deposit, and the 4th to 10th level requires also direct sponsors, no, o yung front lines na tinatawag, with $100 deposit and connected to copy trading as well. Okay, so may mga conditions po yan. Next, way to earn, yung lot commission na tinatawag. Okay, yung lot commission po is a fee that a broker earns. Ito po yung kinikita ni Tag Market, no, per lot traded. Yan po yung sa opening and closing ng trading, no. So normally, let's say for example, si Tag Market kumita ng $14, no, as a lot commission. Si Stratify po, binabalik niya yung dollars 50. Nalilito ako sa currency, no, kasi pounds mo ginagamit ng CUK. So $8.50, no, binabalik niya to the community o sa atin, no, na mga Stratify members, no. Binabalik niya up to 10 level structure din, no, pero iba-iba na yung percentage. So $2 ang napupunta doon sa first level, no. Tapos 1.5 sa second level, $1 naman sa third and fourth level, at $0.5 naman from the 5th level up to the 10th level, no. So ang total niyan umaabot sa $8.50, no, na binabahagi sa atin. Now, the next way to earn ay yung tinatawag na leader pool 1 bonus, and also we have the leader pool 2 bonus, no. Si leader pool 1 bonus, nakadepende po ito sa total volume ng buong grupo mo o yung buong network mo, no. Pag umabot po ng total of $500 yung deposit, no, for a particular month, monthly po ito binibigay. Yung mga unang commission na pinakita ko sa inyo is given to us on a weekly basis. Last Saturday nga, no, kumita na naman tayo dito sa Stratify. So dito po, pag umabot ng $500,000 yung total deposit ng buong grupo, binibigyan ka ng isang share doon sa leader pool na yan, no? At madedecide po kung magkano yung magiging share natin dyan. Depende kung magkano yung naging yung buong deposit ng buong grupo natin, no? Basta minimum $500,000. Yung leader pool 2 bonus naman po, pag umabot na ng $1 million yung total deposit, no, nagbibigay naman yan ng another share, no. So may share ka na sa leader pool 1, meron ka pang share dito sa leader pool 2 bonus. Again, this is given to us by the company on a monthly basis. Now, let's go to the fifth way to earn, yung tinatawag na CPA earnings o yung cost per acquisition earnings, no. Nakadepende naman po ito doon sa mga deposit ng mga members under you. Okay, it's deposit versus commission. Meron po itong mga conditions. For example, pag umabot po ng $10,000 yung total group deposit sa grupo mo, meron ka ng 1% dyan, no? But the 50% rule is applied here, at ituturo po namin sa inyo yung 50% rule na yan, or during the training or later siguro, no, pag meron tayong time for Q&A, ituturo yan ni Sir Anton sa atin yung 50% rule. Don't worry, it's not complicated, it's very simple. So 1%, pag umabot ng up to $10,000, ano, and less. Entire network naman 2%, $50,000, 3.5% pagka umabot ng $200,000, 5% naman pag umabot ng $1 million, no. So palaki yung percentage natin pagka habang lumalaki po yung total group. So it really pays to share this opportunity to other people, no. Palakihin mo ng palakihin yung buong grupo mo. Okay, let's share the blessings, kumbaga. So yan po yung pang-limang paraan para kumita. And meron din tayong pang-anim na paraan. Ito naman in the form of incentives, no, hindi na monetary amount, no. Pero of course, napaka-valuable po yung mga incentives na binibigay sa atin. We can have travel vouchers, we can have luxury watches, and the company is also giving away yung properties, no, yung family home, which I believe meron nang naka-receive ng incentive na yan, no. Pag umabot ng up to 1.2 million, yung total deposits natin. Okay, so to summarize, we have given you 6 different ways to make money in this platform. A collaboration between Stratify, Tag Market, and also Sonic AI, no? Number 1 yung trading profits, number 2 yung profit sharing and trading lot commissions which are being paid weekly sa atin. Number 4 naman yung leader pools, number 5 yung cost per acquisition earnings natin, and number 6 yung generous incentive na binibigay sa atin ni Spotify. Okay? So, ano pang hahanapin natin? Napakaraming paraan para kumita tayo. But it's your decision. Once again, no? It's your option. If you just want to concentrate on the trading profits, no? Walang pumipilit sa iyo na mag-invite o mag-refer, no? Hindi ka pinipilit. That's not mandatory, kumbaga. Kung gusto mo lang maglagay ng pera doon, tapos kumita ng trading profit, then so be it, no? Yun lang gusto mong kitain. But if you want to make more money doon sa Stratify affiliate system natin, then better share the opportunity to your friends, to your families, and other people. So, no, how do we track our business? Diyan sa Stratify, matatrack na natin lahat ng aspeto ng ating negosyo, no? You can track down the size of your group, no, yung network na tinatawag. Makikita mo diyan yung direct referrals mo, makikita mo rin diyan yung mga indirect referrals mo, no. Monitor mo diyan kung magkano yung na-deposit nila, 'di ba? Makikita mo diyan kung gaano kalaki na yung deposit ng buong grupo mo, no? But there is also another way to monitor yung trading naman activity natin kay Tag Market, no? By downloading MetaTrader 5, no? From your Play Store and App Store, mag-create lang kayo na account diyan, tapos ilagay niyo yung MT5 credentials niyo sa Tag Market, no? Pag nilagay niyo yan, makikita niyo na diyan lahat ng activities ni Tag Market in the global forex trading, no? Makikita niyo kung yung daily activities niya, kung magkano yung trading profit na kinita niya, magkano yung natalo, no? I think since I started, parang dalawang araw pa lang nagkaroon ng loss, no? Pero nag-loss siya sa umaga, pagdating ng hapon nag-trade ulit si Sonic AI, nanalo na mas malaki pa doon sa natalo. So yun yung sinasabi ko kanina na nagko-compensate si Sonic AI, no? If there are opportunities, no, para mabawi yung losses na for trading in the morning, pagdating sa hapon titignan pa rin niya kung merong opportunity na makabawi, no? And Sonic AI dives into it para mabawi yung nawala sa atin. Okay? So yan po yung kagandahan. Also, no, yung investment natin, no, according to Stratify and Tag Market, up to 1 million US dollars is insured by the Lloyd's of London, no? Insurance company po ito that is based in London. Napakarami pong mga trading platform na ito po yung ginagamit na insurance, no? So we are assured that a certain level of the investment amount is insured by Lloyd's of London. Okay, how do we get started, no, in Stratify? So Tag Market, madali lang, mag-register lang kayo sa Tag Market, maggawa kayo ng username nyo and password, no? And then magkakaroon po yan ng KYC just like in any other financial institution like banks. Kailangan merong KYC o know yourself, that wherein you have to submit your valid ID or other documents, no, para makilala kayo and siguraduhin na ma-secure yung account nyo sa Tag Market, no. But if you want to participate in the affiliate business natin sa Stratify, yung nag-invite sa inyo will send you a link na ganito, no, na merong QR code, pero meron ding link that you can copy and paste, no? Papadala natin doon sa mga in-invite natin o ni-refer natin, and they can sign up from there, no, sa Stratify. And then from the Stratify, it will give them a link para makapag-sign up naman doon sa Tag Market, no, and eventually sa Sonic AI natin. So ituturo natin lahat yan, no? Nandun na rin sa Stratify and Tag Market kung paano ka mag-withdraw tinuturo din yan ng ating mga coaches. We also have YouTube videos, no, from our great mentors and coaches. Natuturuan tayo step by step how to deposit, how to withdraw, how to create an account, no, how to make a deposit, how to change our password, how to recover the dashboard password, no, and how you can become an affiliate of Stratify. So, lahat yan ituturo sa atin. Kaya nga, we have an opportunity to learn, to earn while we learn, di ba? So, that's Stratify for you. Okay? So, we want you to be blessed with this opportunity. Gusto namin makuha nyo din yung rewards and benefits na nakukuha namin dito sa Stratify. But of course, it's entirely up to you. It's your decision, no? And some of us probably will be defeated by the fear, no? By the fear. Usually, no, yung mga successful people, ino-overcome nila yung fear nila, no? Pero yung mga unsuccessful people, the reason why they are not successful is because they allow themselves to be defeated by the fear, no? Ayaw nila mag-take ng risk. Gusto nila safe lagi sila. Gusto nila laging nasa comfort zone sila, di ba? Kaya natatrap tayo kadalasan doon sa comfort zone, doon sa trabaho natin, no? Kasi alam na natin gawin eh. So araw-araw ganun ang gagawin natin. But the question is it worth it, no? Na matutupad ba yung mga pangarap nyo by just working 8 to 5 or even a 12-hour shift, no, on a daily basis? Kung 20 years ka na nagtatrabaho, wala pa rin nangyayari, probably you need to make a change, di ba? Kasi kung tutuloy mo lang na gawin yung mga bagay na karaniwan mo nang ginagawa, no, yung resulta mo ganoon pa rin. No, wala magbabago sa resulta. If gusto mo magbago yung resulta, baguhin natin kung ano yung mga ginagawa or dagdagan natin kung ano man yung ginagawa natin sa ngayon, di ba? Sabi nga nila, every accomplishment starts with the decision to try. Pag hindi tayo nag-try, walang mangyayari. All the great inventors, no, decided to try on something, no, bago sila naging successful. Thomas Alva Edison tried inventing a light bulb, failed 10,000 times, no, before he succeeded, pero ngayon napapakinabangan na natin, di ba? Lahat ng successful people, even Walt Disney, Mark Zuckerberg, name it, Richard Branson ng Virgin, no, lahat po yan nag-start. Steve Jobs, no, sino ba tong sa Apple? Kalimutan ko yung pangalan. Bill Gates, no, si Bill Gates ng Microsoft, no, sa Apple si Steve Jobs, lahat po yan have failed at one point before they are able to achieve success dun sa gusto nilang gawin, okay? And that's applicable to everyone, including us. If we don't try, then we don't succeed. Kailangan mag-try tayo, try and try, di ba sabi niya, until you succeed. So I hope I have shared to you something that you will go home and ponder about, no? Will think about. Baka ito na nga yung opportunity, no, na hinihintay ko. Anyway, nandyan yung kaibigan ko, nandyan yung sina Coach Paul, sina Coach Anton, no, to guide me. Nandyan naman yung Stratify, yung Tag Market, and Sonic AI, no, which will lessen the risk, no. Pag-aralan nyo habang kumikita tayo. Maraming salamat po at magandang hapon or gabi po muli sa inyo lahat. Thank you, Sir Anton.
Ayun, grabe, no? What a powerful presentation coming from Sir Paul. Thank you so much, no, sa ating business presentation at napakaganda. Sa mga bagong invites natin, Sir Paul, no, welcome sa inyong lahat. Siguro ipakita lang natin sa mga bago paano ba sila magsisimula dito sa ating negosyo, no? Una, no, kunin niyo yung hingin niyo yung link, no, yung invite link ng nag-invite sa inyo dito sa ating negosyo. Ang pagsa-sign up po libre, no, wala akong bayad, no. For as little as $10, no, $10 lang, pwede ka na dito sa ating negosyo. Basta 18 years old ka pataas, meron kang valid ID, meron kang pagkakakilanlan, no, may selfie ka, at pag na-approve na yung KYC, pwede na, no, mag-start ka ng $10.